Hello everyone, welcome to the fifth and final video on World War I. We are going to be talking about the Treaty of Versailles, which means we are at the end of World War I. So let's do a quick recap of what World War I was. So, World War I, where? Most major battles took place in Europe along the Western Front. Who? The Allied powers and the Central Powers. Why? Direct cause was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary by a Serbian, and as well as the main reasons: militarism, alliances, imperialism, nationalism. The what? It was a great war between many countries. And when? Began June 1914. Fighting ended November 1918. So World War I ends. We have our major Allied powers of the United States, France, and England. And the major Central powers of Bulgaria, Austria-Hungary, Germany, and the Ottoman Empire. Each of the Central powers signed its own treaty with the Allied powers. So, the Treaty of Versailles, signed on June 28, 1919 in Versailles, France, the last treaty to be signed, officially marked the end of World War I. So who wrote it? Mainly negotiated by the leaders of the Allied powers. Great Britain's Prime Minister, David Lloyd George. France's Prime Minister, Georges Clemenceau. United States President, Woodrow Wilson. But not this guy. Germany's Kaiser Wilhelm II had little participation because others believed his actions caused the war. So, first, we want to punish Germany. Clemenceau advocated for severe punishment for Germany. Germany had invaded France, and much of France was devastated by the battles. No one wanted Germany to regain strength and cause another war. However, David and Wilson were concerned a too severe punishment would cause another war. So Germany is punished. Wilson's concerns and proposals were largely ignored, and the final treaty had severe consequences for Germany. First, they have to accept full blame for causing World War I. They lost land. They lost 1 million square miles, was rich in natural resources. These resources could have helped Germany's struggling economy to improve. They lost all their colonies. They had to pay reparations. They have to help other countries rebuild from the losses and damages the war caused. Very difficult for Germany to do because Germany had to finance its own rebuilding from the damages and economy was worsening. So the economy of Germany was getting worse. And they had to reduce the military. They were not allowed to rebuild its army and navy. Production of most war materials was stopped. Allied powers wanted to keep Germany too weak to start another war. Well, what are the other treaty outcomes? Well, we have the League of Nations, organization of countries that promised to work together to ensure another world war would not occur. Germany would not be allowed to join until 1926, though. And, most importantly, the United States did not join. The U.S. disagrees. They believe the Treaty of Versailles was too harsh on Germany, concerned it would cause another war. Congress refused to ratify the treaty and did not accept responsibility for it. Germany suffers. Representatives from Germany's government reluctantly signed the treaty. Many Germans resented the restrictions and held protest. Germany's economy continues to worsen, and Germany becomes more isolated and distrusted by other countries. Although the Treaty of Versailles brought peace, it would also set events in motion that would lead directly to World War II. Well, that is all for this video. I will see you when World War II starts.